How to configure Proxy on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Settings allow users to customize, control, and secure your device. You can adjust settings for the screen, sound, wireless connections, etc., and manage your accounts, apps, and notifications to create a personalized user experience. Once you're here, tap on Wi-Fi as shown. You are now in the Wi-Fi settings page. Tap on the information icon on the right side of any network you wish. Then, find and tap on Configure Proxy. Here, change the settings from off to manual as shown. You can now add in the server, port, and authentication information over here. Following these steps, you can easily configure Proxy on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.